Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be putting together a new set of nesting boxes. I recently had cement poured in the chicken coop. We're just going to be redoing their nesting boxes, the roosting bars, creating doors for the sick pen, just making everything better all around. And one of those things is making new nesting boxes, hanging them on the opposite wall so that we can build a proper roosting area to where they're not nesting and roosting in the same spot. I do have a kit here where you can put the thing together. I do have a helper here with me. So we're going to be, that's Addisyn. So we're going to be putting together this nesting box and then we'll hang it up and show you guys what it looks like. So let's get to it. We are just getting the pieces all separated so that once we start this project, we know exactly what to grab. I'm like stuck in the middle here, so I'm gonna sit here. Okay, so what do we need first? There's so many that have holes in them. There's 4 of these. Okay. Okay, so we're going to be putting these side panels on. They look like this. Are we doing all 4? Or just 2? You just bent this.
Oh my. Well, dang.
All right, we have all of the side pieces. So I'm sure 2 of them. Does that seem right?
Yeah, you were looking at it. Yeah.
So I need 2 of those screws, I think. Hold that, please. We are making some progress. We did have to improvise on some of these screws. Those screws specifically would not fit in these holes going to the bottom, and there were no washers for those. So I did pull out my screws and washers kits, and we found something that works. So now we're just putting the whole thing together. It's a 3 nesting box layer on the bottom and 3 nesting boxes on the top, so there's 6 total. Okay, last piece. That tightening is harder. Okay, next pieces. These ones?
Yeah. Not install screws on both the left and right sides.
So, one right here. This is where those other ones get.
Yeah.
Oh wait, how many of those do we need? We only have 4. That's the top and bottom. This one's the middle. Correct? And see, this is much better because this is,
Yeah, it's smaller.
it's a smaller thing to fit through. Other side. Make it the smooth side. Now trays? I still don't know what you're doing. Does this face out?
Yeah.
Does it go on the bottom or here? Or both?
It goes on the ends.
This is what we're trying to do. Couple things I want to mention about this nesting box is that this bottom panel right here, we had to use bigger screws. We had to use washers because these little ones did not fit through what they were trying to get us to fit it through. It wouldn't hold it, and there was no washers, so we had to put washers in with it. Now we're putting on these bottom pieces. These brackets go on here in the front so that these shelves can go on. And then we have these shelves right here that are going to actually be the nesting box area. And then we're going to be putting this top on. And then after that top is on, we're going to be putting, there's hangers somewhere in here. These hangers right here will get put to this top bar, and then that's what's going to allow us to hang it on the wall. We are just about done. One thing I want to mention about these middle trays is that these two go in first along the left and the right sides, but these two screws stay off until you put this sheet on the inside, then a screw and a bolt get put in here and here and here and here. Probably from the outside in, outside in, outside in, outside in. You guys can see. Yep. So then these hanging things get put on at the same time that this roof gets put on. So that's what we're doing now. And then that will be pretty much it. All we would have to do is we're going to be putting a board up along the back wall. And then they gave us these to hang it up with. There are a lot of screws left over. I think we did a good job. Even with 29 chickens, I think that this will be enough nesting boxes because right now they really only use 6. So they kind of like using the same box. But that's okay. Almost done here. I think it looks good. We're gonna go hang it up now and put some nesting pads in there and see if the chickens will use it. We're probably gonna also be building some roosting bars. I don't know if I'll make a whole roosting bar or if I make 2 sets. Maybe I'll just make 1 set the size of this and just like put it up there so that they can get up there. They would probably fly up there, but I think the roosting bars are cute. So this is where we're going to be hanging that nesting box. I just measured it, we put it up, and it'll go from here, hang down to about here, and then we'll either make roosting bars for it or use some of the old roosting bars. But then I'm going to take the nesting boxes off of here so that these can be their roosting bars, and then eventually I'm going to build a proper roosting bar area. So this is our finished project. We put the nesting boxes on the wall. We had to connect some of these boards back there because the whole thing was shifting under. Hopefully this holds. I'm really hoping this holds, especially with like multiple chickens in there. We shall see. If anything, I can put something underneath to hold it up, or I could put it on the floor. It could be meant to be hung up or put on the floor. So that wasn't too bad. We are now eliminating the need for taking these down at night because they break all apart, you know, with the putting them up and down on the floor. They are broken over there. And eventually I'm going to build a proper roosting bar area in here. That was putting together a nesting box. It was a little bit more challenging than I thought it was going to be, especially hanging it. I did not know it was going to take all these other extra things, but that's okay. We did get it up, and I did put one of their roosting bars up against it just so they have a way to get up there. We do have to still fill those with the nesting pads, and then they will have their new nesting section. They're going to have to get used to it. They're not, if I don't take the old nesting boxes off, they may not transition over to the new ones, but we shall see. They also might not lay eggs if they don't see their old nesting boxes up there. So it's definitely going to have to be a challenging time until it all like goes into each other. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and click the notifications bell so you can receive a notification each time I post a new video, which is every Sunday. Thanks guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Smoothly. Don't put any of that. That was terrible.